Question ko for, of course, Jules and Alden. Kasi prior to this trailer, may mga scene drops na rin kaming nakita talaga. And ang taray, talagang ginulat nyo kami. Parang pinaramdam nyo sa amin na, hey, nagbabalik kami. And hey, ito yung namimiss yung mga actor at actress. Ganyan. Bakit in-embrace nyo yung ganitong klaseng edgy role, if I may say so? And, sorry. So, edgy din yung machine. So, paano rin kayo na-convince or from the very start ba gusto nyo na talagang gawin yung mga ganong eksena based on what we saw on the scene drops before?
Sa akin po kasi as a viewer or as an audience also, na hopeless romantic na mahilig manood ng love story, may specific po akong hinahanap or parang gusto ko kiligin or gusto ko ma-feel yung love. With this film, lahat yun na-experience mo, pero more on a realistic side. Because every relationship, you have a goal or you have a dream na parang sana ganito kami or sana ganito, sana ganyan. But the sana, realization or the reality is, i-work out yun ng two-person. Dun sa film, wala realistic lang po talaga siya. And nagkataon, kaya siya ang sarap gampanan kasi the connection is there. Genuine actor, generous actor. So, tatalon ka lang talaga at ibibigay mo sa eksena kung ano yung binigay sa'yo. So, para siyang, it takes two to tango. Give and take lang po talaga. Para siyang sayaw.
Yun po, parang it's really a matter of how you know yourself as a craftsman. Kasi in this industry, we are all craftsmen. Para plural. So, kasi the thing that we have, the question that will always comes to your head should always be, what's next? I've been here for 11 years po, and I've done quite a fair share of projects with different roles and concepts. And parang, it's really a matter of how you want your career or your craftsmanship to evolve. Kasi kung ako po, syempre, ililimit ko na lang ba yung sarili ko sa laging ganito? I always give what people want to see. But at the end of the day, alam na nila kung ano yung pwedeng nakita sa akin eh. So I wanted to offer something new. And I wanted to showcase something that has never been seen before. Ito na yung sinasabi ko, di ba lagi pag nagpo-promo tayo ng pelikula, kakaiba pong Alden, kakaiba pong Julia ang makikita dito. But I think I can really testify and honestly say that after watching the projects po ni Miss Julia Matez, grabe na yun. Nagkikringe yan. And the things that I have done, this is something that has never been done before for us. Actually po kasi dalawang comeback po ito eh. This is Julia's comeback and this is my comeback po sa film industry. So, what's not to try? The only failure is not trying.
Thank you. We pray and wish na this will break box office records. Congrats in advance.
Thank you.